Yes, I am aware there is a huge crease in my backdrop, but we're just gonna go with it because, why not? Back to this old backdrop. I've used it before, but I changed around my vanity and filming room, so I wanted to go back to an oldie but a goodie, you know? Hey guys, welcome back. How are ya? It is New Year's Eve night, and I'm such an old lady that I have no plans. So here I am, and my 37-year-old husband is in bed, and my kids are already in their pajamas, and I'm here at 9:30 at night filming videos because I cannot think of another way to spend New Year's Eve 2017 than filming videos. And that, guys, is what this video is about. This video is about shit I wish I knew in 2017 that I'll know in 2018 about YouTube. If you guys are interested in hearing my 5 things that I wish I knew in 2017 that I'm going to know in 2018 about YouTube, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I was trying to think of a bunch of creative stuff or creative content that I really wanted to put on my channel this year, and I wanted to start it on New Year's Eve because I really want to go into this next year gung-ho with my channel and just really creative and put forth as much effort as I can. So that's why I came up with this video, and I know there's a ton of other ones like this, but I thought, you know what, my audience, I would really like them to hear what I think they need to know if they are interested in starting a YouTube channel, because there's a lot that I didn't know, and yes, I'm gonna talk about money. So let's get started. Number 1. Had I known that it took time to film and edit and upload YouTube videos, I'm not sure if I would have made the same choice. Now this is super honest, you guys, so if I offend anyone, I'm sorry, but click away. So, now I started YouTube for a lot of reasons. In my very first video that I'll link here, not my very first, like my Q&A. It was my Q&A for who I am, why I started YouTube, all that stuff. So that's what I'll link here. I said that it was an outlet for me and I needed something healthy because my kids were growing up, and this video is super cringy, but I'm going to card it anyway. And that was true, you know, but at that time, I was really excited about the idea of YouTube, and now that I'm actually kind of making a place in YouTube, I want to put forth so much more effort. I want to film more, I want to edit more or edit better, I want to upload sooner, upload quicker, upload more, and it takes time. And that's something that I wish I would have known first before I went into starting it, because as you guys know, I'm not teaching anymore. I'm taking a break from teaching for a year or 2, and I have a new job and I work in an office and I work different hours, so I don't get home until really late at night, and it's really difficult to film really late at night when you're a mom. So that gives me weekends, but then my husband is home. So it just is kind of a catch-22, because I want my channel to be good and I want to upload good content, but I have to find that balance. So if I would have known about how much time goes into editing, filming, uploading, I would have gone into it better and smarter. That's number 2. If I would have known the competition that was on YouTube, I probably would have made a different choice. Now, that doesn't mean that I feel like a little bit of competition isn't healthy, because it is. But in 2008 or 2009 or even 2010, it was a lot easier to have a successful YouTube channel. And I don't mean all about money here, right? I mean successful as in people knew who you were, you had more opportunities, you had more abilities behind your name. And now in 2017, almost 2018, it is almost impossible to keep up with the YouTubers who have millions of subscribers. Because now, as we are getting into a new era, everybody wants to be on YouTube. Everybody wants a career out of YouTube. Everybody wants to make money out of YouTube. And so more and more people are uploading to YouTube every day. And a lot of the time people will say, oh, I'm just doing it because I'm passionate about it, or I'm doing it because it's a hobby, or I'm doing it because it's a healthy outlet. And that may be true, but in the back of their minds, a lot of them think that it's something that they could have in the long run to help them. Now, that being said, I am no beauty guru yet, or I'm no, expert, but I do feel like I have things to say. And I knew that there was competition, and I knew that there were other channels who rightfully so deserve to be here and have worked their asses off. I'm not taking that away from them, but with that being said, it is very difficult to feel acknowledged. Now, there's a difference between validation and acknowledgement, a huge difference. I don't need validation. I just want to try and have my channel be acknowledged in this huge world of beauty guru, lifestyle, advice channel world. Number 3. Had I known how much money it takes to have a channel, I probably would have made a different choice. Now, what that means is, before I started, I had a lot of makeup. I did. And I had a lot of experience, and I had a lot of advice, and I was a mom for a long time. But there is a lot of money that you need to put into a channel before it is actually decent. Now, that means a good camera with a viewfinder and a DSLR, and sometimes there's cameras with no mirrors and this and that, and then there's lighting, and you need a ring light, and you need umbrella lights, and you need box lights, and then you need backdrops, and you need products, and you need time, and you need energy, and you need the uploading software, or the editing software, if you will. You need extra hard drives, you need memory cards, you need a microphone, you need batteries. It's a lot of shit. And I knew that when I first started, it was going to cost some money. I knew that I was probably going to be negative, and I am. But it's not all about the money. For me, it's about really having an authentic channel that is worth watching and rewarding. And so, despite the fact that YouTube has cost me money and is very expensive to have, I wouldn't have it any other way. I absolutely love the fact that I am here and I'm doing what I love, and I can actually put forth effort into my channel, and I'm really excited for 2018 because this is my year on YouTube. I can feel it, it's my year. All right, that leads me into number 4. If I would have known, this is a really controversial one. If I would have known that YouTube was going to take away the monetary or the monetization of videos without 10,000 lifetime views, I probably would have made a different choice. Now, I didn't do it all for the money. I didn't, but in the back of my head, I'm thinking, wow, that could be a really great way to stay at home with my kids and survive on Google. But little did I know that about 2 months into my channel, they decided to change their policy, and channels who have less than 10,000 lifetime views no longer can monetize their videos, which means that they no longer can have AdSense, which means that they no longer make money for the content that they put up. Now, some channels grow incredibly fast, and that 10,000 lifetime view mark is really easy. Some channels like mine, I'm sitting at almost 9,000 views, and I've been on YouTube a year. It's a lot harder, and so you are essentially wasting money if you want to look at it that way. You are putting forth a lot of money, actually. I think that's a better way of putting it. You are putting forth more money than you are making. Now, all of those views, those 10,000 lifetime views, those won't matter because all of the views that I've gotten prior to the 10,000 lifetime view mark won't be monetized. So I won't make any money for all that time and all that energy and all that effort. So had I known that YouTube or Google was going to change the policy or change the way that they paid out on videos, I probably would have made a different choice. And that leads me into number 5. This was a big one for me because if I'm being completely honest, I went into YouTube thinking that I was going to get all kinds of free shit. That's true. Beauty products, stuff to review, whatever it may be. And now I have reached out to many different brands. I've done influencer, I've sent emails, I've asked to be on PR lists, and nobody will even give me the time of day. I have a smaller channel and I'm not worth their time. And that to me really is awful. And I understand that it's about making money for companies as well, but if no one gives the little guy a chance, how can the little guy become a big guy? And maybe they're the ones who are really going to give the honest reviews about a company if they're given the chance. So that being said, my idea behind that is if these companies were to give the little guys a chance at reviewing products, then maybe, just maybe, it would be a beneficial relationship for the two of them. And it would be kind of a, you know, a tit for tat, if you will. And that being said, I didn't expect like, it's when I say I wanted free shit, I didn't mean like, oh, I wanted companies to start sending me stuff on their PR list. No, I don't mean that. But I at least wanted to be given the opportunity when I emailed a company or asked a company or said, hey, I'll even, you know, I'll do whatever you want me to. Not only was I rudely told no, but I was also almost ignored in most cases. And had I known that that was going to happen, and had I known that my self-esteem was going to be about this small when I was asking for help from companies, I probably would have made a different choice. So yeah, guys, those are my 5 things about what I wish I knew in 2017 about YouTube that I'll for sure know and make note of in 2018. I know that videos like this are controversial, but hey, this channel is real and raw and authentic, and that's what you're gonna get from me. I don't give 2 shits about what people think, and that's why I'm here. It's something that I'm excited about, and I really want to see where it goes, and I'm really hoping that 2018 is for me, you know, and regardless of money or not, it's going to be something that I want to do for me and not for anybody else. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below if you are one of those people who wish that you knew things this year or last year or the year you started YouTube that you are going to know in 2018. Like, share, and subscribe, you guys. I would really appreciate it if you became a part of the Edgy fam. It would mean a lot to me. And click that notification bell right there so you know when I upload videos and you won't be left in the lurch. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you have a safe and happy new year. I really do appreciate your support again, and don't ever let anybody tell you that you have to be something that you don't want to be. Mwah! I'll see you all soon. Take care.